Mentions regarding listing of a IA.
IA for?
IA for implement of party lordship.
Yes, new
On
matter.
Monday.
Monday, yes. Have you filed or not?
Yes, lordship. We filed in the month of June, lordship.
You filed in June, not yet listed.
No, lordship.
Probably it's indefective.
No, lordship. It has been cleared.
Then Monday, why not? Yes.
Okay. Much obliged.
May I please? I beg to mention for listing one matter for repetition matter.
For motion?
Motion.
When?
Friday, madam.
Filed or not?
Friday, madam.
Filed or not?
Yes, madam.
May it please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention the listing for content matter, lordship.
For?
Since admission hearing, lordship 2019, this matter is pending.
19?
19, lordship.
What is the stage?
This honorable court passed this order, lordship.
No, I understood. But what is the stage now?
Stays lordship instruction
It's not,
from
oh,
authority.
okay, Wednesday next. Next Wednesday. Give the date. Yes, madam. Yes.
For listing a writ petition on Friday, lordship.
Motion matter.
Motion matter.
Yes. Madam.
Lordship, listing of motion on Monday, Lordship.
Yes.
Obliged.
Pertaining to this bench.
Yes, Lordship.
Bench 5.
Cancellation of GST registration.
Cancellation of?
GST
Okay,
registration.
okay. Yes.
Obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25, Lordship.
Hmm.
This matter may be withdrawn, Lordship, as per instruction of the petition author.
25.
Yes, Lordship. 25.
Your view, Laskar?
Yes, Lordship.
Anyone from the revenue department? Yes. Water resource, anybody is there? Water resource? Who appears normally? Okay. Water resource, madam, you appear. Okay. Shri B.U. Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioners, submits that he has instructions not to press this writ petition. Also heard Shri J. Hendrik, learned state counsel. Shri Miss G. Hazarika, learned standing counsel revenue, and Miss so-and-so for the water resource department. Para. Writ petition is accordingly dismissed as not pressed. Interim order, if anything, vacated. Silent interim classes. Yes. Which matter, Mr. Dubey?
Withdrawal matter
Where are you? For whom?
for state election.
For state election? No, 25. That has not been called. You're trying to intrude into somebody else's matter. Now you're not coming.
I mean, I may be allowed to withdraw with the liberty to file case.
Why do you need liberty?
Millet.
Why do you need liberty?
Millet, in the meantime, some development took place, Millet.
Yeah, for whom?
Same.
Same.
Two councils, formidable councils, maybe a big party.
No, explain.
A big party and big issues.
Yes.
Big issues.
Issues are big.
Issue is big.
Okay. Sri A.M. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that due to certain developments, he has instructions not to press this petition. Full stop. Also heard Miss P. Thapa, learned counsel on behalf of Sri S. Datta, standing counsel PNRD, Sri R. Dubey, standing counsel Election Commission, and Sri N. Das, learned state counsel for the official respondents. Para. Writ petition is accordingly dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for. Yes, both.
Both.
Okay. Second case, you write the name of J. Abedin. Equal distribution
Yes, ma'am.
of everything.
Problems.
Yes.
Yeah, please. As per order dated 21/7/2025, my lord, petitioner submitted representation before the EOO Gwalpara, my lord, but nothing was provided, my lord, till date, my lord.
Yes, who is appearing for the respondents?
Forest is there, man.
Forest Department, Mr. Goswami, Mr.
Can it be after some time, Melo?
After a while, Mr. Laskar.
Okay.
Borthakur is there, Gogoi, two Gogois are there. Yes.
As your law. But in this case, Lordship, the petitioners are the sisters, Lordship, and the phone number 5, the father, Lordship. Their father is the ill, Lordship, and getting the chance of the illness of the phone number 6 and 7. Those are the brothers of the petitioner. They have taken, Lordship, some
But don't you think that
signature.
these disputes are,
governed by Dayavaga School
these
of.
disputes are essentially of civil nature? How do you even look into?
Lordship, what the
Two
petitioner,
daughters against their
My lord,
father
no,
regarding property.
the petitioner submitted the
Moreover,
representation before the Lordship, Deputy Commissioner for recalling the NOC, Lordship does. And the Deputy Commissioner without any hearing, Lordship, at least they may be hard, Lordship. That's my.
My lord, I'll just submit, my lord. And this is a case, my lord, it is governed by the Dayavaga School of Hindus, my lord. So inheritance come after
No,
the
no, no,
father's
we-
death.
Mr. Das, we are not even on the merits of the case. Whether they are Mitakshara, whether they are Dayabhaga, those will come when we go into the merits of the case. Now we are on the preliminary aspect, whether this kind of a dispute
Yes.
should come before this court or we have the expertise. But his contention, Mr. Mazumdar's contention is that he had approached the deputy commissioner
Yes.
for recalling of the NOC,
Yes, Lord.
which has been done without giving them a scope of hearing.
Yes, Lord.
We are on that aspect. What do you say? I think we can.
To that effect, a direction can be passed to.
No, without taking the response from the other side.
No, my lord, I'll.
There are private respondents. And on the motion stage, we normally restrain ourselves.
Yes,
We do not know factually.
yes,
He may have wrong instructions.
yes.
Whatever the client has said, he has put into a petition. We have to.
Moreover, my lord, in para 5, they have alleged with regard to the, my lord, fraud. If there is anything fraud, my lord, a criminal.
It has to be, and fraud has to be proved in a court of law, not in a writ court.
Exactly, my lord. that-
Heard 3 AMS Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioners who have approached this court with a grievance that their representation dated 14/5/2025 filed, submitted before the respondent was 2 and 3 appears to have been disposed of without giving them any hearing. Full stop. The said representation was with regard to their inheritance over a plot of land. Full stop. Para 3M, 3N thus, London State Council has however submitted that the subject matter is essentially civil in nature, wherein the approach of this court, approach of the petitioners to this court may not be the proper remedy. Para, be that as it may, let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks, 6 weeks. Revenue, G Hazarika 1,
234, my lord.
2, 3, 4 is Enda State Council. 5, 6, 7, registered post with AD, steps to this, extra copies.
Lordship, the representation is pending, still pending.
Well, you said that you had
Yes.
disposed of without
No,
hearing.
Pending, Lordship.
Then what did you submit?
That may be disposed of, Lordship.
No. Made a wrong submission. I want to keep going. They have filed a representation.
I have written here.
And 2 and 3 has not been considered. Has not been considered. The said representation has been filed.
I
against
have
it.
an interim here, Lord.
Interim, what kind of interim?
Lordship, they are going to execute the deed, Lordship. If they have executed, then my.
Deed execution, what are you saying in a writ petition?
Obligor.
To file an injunction petition, file a civil suit. Yes, next. Forest, Mr. Gogol.
My lord, I was called to one court. My lord, set of instructions have been received. My lord, what has happened, this on earlier date, my lords, an observation was made by the court to provide them certain kind of care and accommodation. But what had happened, they submitted a representation, my lord, without any details. Just we could not trace them out. Lordship will kindly peruse the document, my lord.
Yes, what do you say? You put this on this thing.
Affidavit.
Affidavit. We'll issue notice, formal notice. Third, 3 SB Laskar Learned Council for the petitioners. But you have already filed the affidavit.
Yes, my lords.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the issue, my lord. Panel, they have the copy, my lord. Let's kindly see it is,
No, affidavit is already there.
yes, my lords.
Then what about
But
why the
This is
instructions?
regarding that, that observation by this court, honorable court, that we have
Okay,
to
okay,
provide some
okay.
amenities. my lord.
Um, mm, mm.
We try to locate, ascertain
The
them.
advance of the petitioners is against the proposed eviction to be carried out by the forest department. It is the contention of the petitioners that the land under their occupation is not forest land, but
Yes, my lord.
government khas land. And the procedure adopted is not in accordance with law. Para? This court, wide order dated 10/7/2025, had directed had observed that the interim prayer would be considered on the next date, and also directed the forest department to explore the avenue of affording alternative shelter, food, and accommodation till the time of the rehabilitation. Para? Subsequently, an affidavit has been filed by the Forest Department on 21/7/2025. Full stop. The matter was considered on the said date, that is 21/7/2025, and further instructions were directed to be obtained by the Learned Standing Council Forest Department. Para. 3. The Gogoi Learned Standing Council has submitted that instructions have been received as per which the details of the petitioners could not be ascertained. And the petitioners have also not apprised the authorities about the details. For the para, be that as it may, that notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. 3, the Gogoi for 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 also.
5 also.
And J. Hendricks, 6 and 7 extra copies. The instructions which have been put on record today be let an additional affidavit be filed by the department based on the instructions received, so that the petitioners can respond to the same.
Most.
Mr. Gogoi, why did the aspect of alternative arrangement has arisen in this matter?
It was observed by the court, my lords. We didn't say anything. Court said, if they are found genuine, my lords, till the eviction is done or till the government department, concerned department.
But
takes
the
action-
exercise has not been able to be done, whether they are bona fide or not.
Yes, my lords.
Okay. Mr. Laskar, you can advise your client to appear before them with all your documents.
Worship, we provided all the document, my
No,
lord.
let them file the affidavit. That is why we were asked you to file the affidavit so that you can respond to the same. Okay,
Most.
next.
In this case, Honorable Court was pleased to direct to obtain the instruction. I am told, my lord, instruction has not been received, my lord. Some more time may be granted so that we can file the affidavit also, my lord, or the instruction, my lord. You will use the last of whatever.
Okay. Well, we can issue notice.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, and my lord, our interim prayer may kindly be considered, my lord.
We have said something on the
Yes.
last occasion. We'll continue that.
Yeah, yes. sir.
Third, 3 RL. You're not there on record. We record whose name.
Yes, yes, that is there, my lord.
Yeah.
Technical result.
Okay, no, he's not there. We cannot record his name. Okay. Third, 3 is that Ahmed Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard 3 B. Goswami, Learned Additional Advocate General Assam, who submits that instructions are awaited. Para. The grievance of the petitioner It, huh? Number two. But we can dispose this of. Why do you have to issue notice?
Because allegation is,
7 days, that is the only thing.
And
Okay.
only each of
No,
the.
no.
petition.
Don't, it hurts. Waited for stop. Since the writ petition can be disposed of on the basis of the instructions, which specifically with regard to affording 7 days time to hold the meeting, let this court grants further time of a week to Sri Goswami, to the Learned State Council to have the instructions. Para, we give a date. List on,
after 2 weeks, any date, my lord.
not 2 weeks, 1 week, only 7
No,
days.
sir. All-
List on Friday next. Okay,
Right.
not this, the day after tomorrow, next Friday.
Next one.
Next
Right.
Friday.
Oh, next Friday is a holiday, I think, 15th August,
15th of August.
14th August,
14.
Thursday. Chaudhary for?
Instructed to appear on behalf of respondent number 4.
Who is for?
Private respondent.
Okay, likhi diba. Who else is appearing? Sri S. Datta, Learned Standing Council PNRD, Sri R. Dubey, Learned Standing Council State Election Commission, and Sri R.K.D. Chaudhary. You have filed wakalat nama?
I file contact number
Learned Council for Respondent numbers?
4.
4 are present.
Instead of 14, my lord, 13.
Whatever suits you, 13th.
13.
13th.
Starting to disorder.
The interim, the observations towards, the interim order, the observation towards the interim order shall continue till the next date of listing.
Right.
Item 4.
My lord, I have received instruction as regard of E, that is
Yes,
number 242, 240.
There are contention, if we remember correctly, that something else was in the notice and the action was taken somewhere
That
else.
is, E-schedule is been not,
Yes,
but we are, as per my instruction, Lordship, though it is written to me, due permission, I am placing.
okay. Yes, Mr. Rai.
Two,
My lord,
that is
the photograph set-
242, that particular, that Swisher mentioned in E-schedule. According to us, it has been not.
You do one thing, you file an affidavit.
Oh.
If this is a contentious issue,
Hmm.
let it be in the way of an affidavit.
My lord, the respondent number 9, the circle officer, can also submit a report before this on report.
Let them file the affidavit, they are the authority.
My lord.
Heard Sri A.K. Rai, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, as well as Sri C. Barua, Learned
Yes, no,
Standing
two, my
Counsel,
lord.
NHAI,
My lord.
Sri, I will not like write it, he can leave. Pursuant to the order dated 1/8/2025, comma, Sri Barua, Learned Standing Counsel has submitted that instructions have been received as per which the E-schedule land has not been affected by the ongoing project. Full stop. Para. Let, since the aforesaid aforesaid issue would be the most relevant one for adjudication of the present lease, let an affidavit be filed by the NHAI,
AI.
putting on record the said stand.
My lord.
Such affidavit is to be filed by within 2 weeks from
My lord.
today.
My lord.
Para. List after 2 weeks.
Well,
Para, Sri Endas, Learned State Council, and Sri R.K. Talukdar, Learned
that's the.
Standing Council, NHI, DCL are present.
My lord, the interim order may be continued.
Interim order passed earlier to continue. What is the interim order?
In
And that
respect
is-
of schedule E,
Yes,
my lord.
yes, yes.
My lord.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. We give a date, interim order is list on.
That is-
Today is 6th.
Six.
We'll have it on 2 weeks, 20th, 20,
My lord. Deputy.
28.
Extra copies of Venus. Ajay,
Take this.
We have not issued notice, Mr. Das. He can give an extra copy, but we are only on the his aspect. If we think that your response may be also necessary, we'll have your response.
No, actually, I know, but due permission, I'm only, his, allegation is there. In spite of that land not acquired, pillar has been put. That is why if notice issues, the circle officer also can give matter will be in there itself. I am saying he will be again telling that, it is.
Oh, then good suggestion. Last year, can you please, here is instructions, no?
হয় না? Clear হয়ে যাবে।
No, no, আরম্ভ না করো।
আপু কিন্তু দেখি সেগুলো বিষয় কেন তো
ঠিক আছে, স্যার।
Condition পেন্টু
এনেছে,
20 তারিখ না?
এনেছে, full stop, para. Let notice be issued, sir. Let notice be issued. Returnable on 20. 3. Union of India? Anyone? Union of India? Yeah, I think you'll take NHA by the National Highway? Huh?
I can also take.
3, C Barwa for 1, 2. RK Talukdar 3. State of Assam Revenue. G Hazarika 4, 5. Endas 6, 7, 8, 9. There is a pro forma respondent 9.
That presently not required for respondent. Let the report.
9. Full stop. The let extra copies be served, huh? The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that at this stage notice may not be required to be issued to the respondent number 10. Full stop.
Right.
Yes. Cause this to reflect SC revenue. Cause to reflect the names of the learned counsel for the respondents.
The interim order.
But in that day, others will remain.
Yeah.
Interim order to continue. Those will remain. What defined by.
Dipla, please.
Mazumdar?
May I tell you? If the land of the petitioner was acquired by the National Highway Authority, first of all, by the notification, only 3 chotak was acquired, and subsequently some more land, that is 350 square feet, was included in the same land without any notification, and the no order of compensation was.
Yes, he says that apart from the area which was notified, more areas have been acquired.
Yeah.
But National, Madam, I think we issue notice at this stage. Third, Sri A.M.S. Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, who claims to be the owner and possessor of a plot of land measuring so and so, so and so, so and so, huh? It is the contention of the petitioner that though a part of the land has been acquired by the NHAI via a notification dated 21/7/2023, the other areas of the petitioner have also been acquired, for which no compensation has been paid. That notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Let Miss and Union of India. What is your name? Miss M. Das, Leonard Council accepts notice on behalf of the S Committee Standing Council, S Committee CGC for respondent number 1, and revenue G. Hazarika 2, NHIDCL Miss R. Bora 3, and that's 4, 5, PWD 4, 5, and 7, and that's PWD. Anybody? Madam, MDAS 4, 6, standing on the PWD. Extra copies.
Lordship, as an interim priority, their lordship, there is a boundary wall. They are going to destroy this boundary wall. Lordship.
Before that, my lord, in the synopsis, they have stated that recently the petitioner visited the office of the respondent authorities.
If
He-
any damage is done, it get the compensation.
Yes, Lordship, okay, Lordship. And
Reference lies, my lord. He's saying that compensation is low. I guess that reference lies.
No, there are two issues.
Yes,
We
two
have
issues.
looked into that issue.
Yes.
That has got other remedy. But he has also said that apart from the land mentioned in the
350 square feet.
notice, there has been more than two. You take note.
Kiman dil KV?
Yes.
No, no, Kiman dil.
Names of the learned counsel for the
Acha dilo.
respondents be reflected in the call list.
Okay.
666.
Six. Mr. Day?
My lord. This is regarding reservation of Silchar Municipal Ward for scheduled caste candidate. My lord, earlier ward number 3, 4, and 5 were a single ward number 5, and it was a general category candidate, a general category ward. My lord.
Who are you?
My lord.
Who are you?
My lord, I am a voter in the ward.
How are you?
I am a general category candidate, my lord. I am entitled to contest if it becomes a general category ward, then
No, you have to make a statement that you aspired to contest. Otherwise, as a voter, there's nothing going to affect you. Have you made a statement that you aspired to contest in the election as a general category candidate? That you have not done. Then can you come to the court? It has to affect some legal rights of yours, and you have to suffer legal prejudice. You make out a case that you want to contest, your rights are being adversely affected. Then also it's a policy decision. To what extent we'll go, that's a different matter. But at least you make out a case for issuing notice. Now,
my lord, I shall file an additional affidavit.
you bring a candidate, bring a person who actually intends to contest. Okay, we will not say anything. The instant petition filed under Article 226 of the
Or, my lord,
Constitution of India.
My short submission,
Now we are giving time.
a representation I have filed, my lord.
Filed under 26. It challenges the decision of the respondent authorities for converting three numbers of words, namely ward number 3, 4, and 5, to be reserved for scheduled caste in the Silchar Municipal Corporation. Full stop. This court has, however, noticed that the petitioners have not made any statements that the petitioners claim that they belong to the general category, full stop para. This court has, however, noticed that there is no statement made that the petitioners were intending to contest the election from the said ward. Full stop. Para. This court is of the opinion that unless a legal prejudice is established, the maintainability of this writ petition itself would be an issue. Para, at this stage, 3 days, the learned counsel for the petitioners pray for a week's time to obtain instructions and to file additional affidavit. Para, list after week.
Right.
List after week. 1 week will be enough?
My lord.
Yes.
May please, your lordship. My lord, the petitioner purchased a property through e-auction through the learned debt recovery tribunal.
Mm.
The e-auction sale notice was dated 18/2/2025, and on 7/4/2024, having paid the entire sale, having bidded, being the highest bidder, he was declared successful, and eventually he was taken to be the auction purchaser. Pursuant to which subsequently there have been orders passed by the learned recovery officer. And there is one such order on 2/6/2025, which your lordship will find at page 31.
Yes.
Now here, what it says is that CHB, that is the certificate holder bank, has filed Form 21 that explains that the purchaser has got possession of the property on 15/5/2025.
Hmm.
The CHB further orally prayed for issuance of certificate of sale. Now, subsequently, the.
Yes,
sale
why haven't
certificate
you delivered the property?
Your lordship, in this case, I have been instructions that the property has been delivered. They have issued one affidavit and Form 21 has been duly signed and there is no locuna. Now later on, it is an afterthought that they have been raised this issue. So your lordship, a time may be allowed to me. I
Okay,
will bring all the.
what is the next? You bring those documents.
Yes, your lordship, and even handing over possessions, photographs is also available with the.
That be so, my lord.
No,
let
they'll
them
not come to the court for fun. There may be some issue. What is the issue?
The issue, my
But
lord.
Mr. Sharma says everything has been handed over. Where is the?
I will bring it on
Well,
record. Your
the position of fact is, initially when this procedure was going on, there were some home guards deputed by the bank for protection.
Home
of-
guards.
Home guards.
It is in physical possession of the.
Now, after some point of time, those home guards have also they have also disappeared. And so far, the process of handing over of the possession, my lord, what I understand is for that there has to be the presence of allied staffs in whose presence the identification of the land is required and sale is held to be complete in terms of section 54 of the transfer of
Okay,
property.
third, difficult maybe. Third, three, the Chakraborty Learned Counsel for the petitioner. As per the facts projected, the petitioner is an e-auction purchaser held on 18/2/2025. However, the physical possession of the property in question has not been handed over in spite of submission of Form 21 by the concerned respondent bank. Para. 3. M. Sharma, who appears for the respondent bank, has however submitted that the physical possession has not only been handed over, but all the formalities, including submission of affidavits, have been done, and therefore there is no cause of action. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 2 weeks. Let 3 M. Sharma, Learned Counsel accepts notice on behalf of respondent 1 and 1, 2,
123.
1, 2, and 3.
I have made the.
Let extra copies be served. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 be by registered post with AD steps within 2 working days. 2 days. List on, we give a date, we
Well,
try to dispose of. List on 2 weeks, Mr. Sharma, tell us. Today is 6th, we'll have it on 22nd,
Your lordship.
Friday. You get
Okay.
more time.
Well, one correction, the very first line, date is not 18/2, the auction sale was on 7/4/2020.
What was on 18 to then?
18/2 was the sale notice
Pursuant to an sale notice dated 18 to 2020.
and the sale was on 7/4/2020.
Pursuant to
Obliged.
sale notice, pursuant to sale notice. 18. Okay. Item 8, Mr. Agarwal, DG Construction.
Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner a registered dealer, Lordship. Petitioner was a registered dealer under the CGST, Lordship.
Yes.
The registration were cancelled, Lordship, for not furnishing the return, Lordship. Some similar matter.
Yes. We can dispose this of.
Lordship.
You have a order?
Lordship,
Order?
I have enclosed with the repeated, Lordship. Annexure is page 31.
Make the corrections, show it to Mr. Chetty and give it to us. Naam likhe dene. Chetty appears as what?
2 to 4, Lordship.
Standing counsel?
CGST, Lordship.
CGST.
Lordship.
Okay. And SK Agarwal. Dispose of, huh? Give a copy,
Lordship.
make the corrections by pencil, but make it carefully, okay, so that there is no mistakes. Okay.
Lordship.
Dispose of.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Item 9. Mr. Borbhuya.
Lordships. In this case, Lordships, I already submitted application and last application submitted,
Application
Yes,
for?
submitted my matter may placed before the competent authority, Lordship, arbitrator for determination about since I disputing the amount. The land they have acquired, it was a commercial land, but in the notification they stated is a
Acquisition under Bharatmala.
Bharatmala and similar case Lordship already disposed of by the coordinate bench at motion stage, on that line, my case may be disclosed.
No, no, let them have the instructions today, it has come up. We don't mind disposing of, it, but not without instructions. No, no.
My learned friend has not annexed that,
Annexed, but
annexed that
this-
copy in the
Yes, yes.
petition lordship. That
I will-
is,
No,
I'll
no,
provide.
Hertz, Sri F.U. Borbia learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by the inaction on the part of the authorities to act on the representation of the petitioner to refer the dispute to the arbitrator in accordance with the National Highways Act 1956. He has submitted that similar matters have been disposed of by this court. Full stop. Let a cop, Sri H. Sharma, the learned additional senior law advocate, prays for some time to examine the aforesaid aspect. Full stop. Let a copy of the let a copy of the
Order.
order passed earlier in similar petitions be served upon Sri Sharma so as to enable him to obtain necessary instructions. Para, list this case for motion on Wednesday next.
Obliged.
Give a copy to him.
Lordship, I provided already.
after 2 weeks lordship,
On what does.
Wednesday next. 13, next Wednesday.
next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday, 1 week, I think it's
Lot-
enough,
lot-
only to
lot-
examine.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Doctor.
May it please your lordship. My lord, we are challenging the report passed by Upaluka Ayukt, my lord, where, my lord, I was not made a party. And behind my back, that order was passed. Your
Report
lordship-
by,
Your lordship will find that at page 30, my lord.
report by whom?
This by Upaluka Ayukt,
Upalukayakto.
my lord. Whether he has that power, that I have some reservation. But on the top of it, my lord, I was not made a party there. Where your lordship will find at page 30, my lord, 30. Only the GMC has been included as a party, and I am the aggrieved, I was not made a party.
But the order is passed by whom?
Your lordship will find at page 43,
43.
yes.
It starts from page 30.
40?
43 is the operative part.
You have to make, we have to make the secretariat at least as a party, these are writ proceedings. If the decision maker is not made a party, how do you adjudicate? It's not an appeal.
Another difficulty is GMC is not been made party.
GMC.
Only the commissioner and associate planner made the party.
When that entity has
phase
not
two.
been made a party, but this secretariat needs to be made a party.
Lord, that also, my lord, I was thinking it.
No, 226. It's not an appeal or a revision.
Your lordship is correct, my lord, I can understand it. My lord, in that case, possibly we shall
You
have
take
to-
some instructions, you might have to amend or you might
Yes,
have to
yes, my lord.
withdraw and file afresh. I
Better
think
to withdraw and
even
file.
GMC is not a party, he is
Yes, yes.
correct.
No,
But
also,
that
my lord,
part we may ignore for the time being, but the main authority not made a party
main
in a
authority is not
proceedings.
there, yes.
Okay. Three, as Dr. Leonard Senior Counsel for the petitioner, prays for and is granted a week's time to obtain instructions on the aspect of further course of action, either towards implement of parties or to file a fresh writ petition.
My lord. We can- May I please tell that?
11, Mr. H.R. Chaudhary,
Yes.
what is this?
This kind of composite land transfer, my lord, not granting permission for sale, my. This is the issue, my. All documents I have annexed everything. And it is still under process, my lord, not even rejected. I
When
had
did you file?
applied on
17/4.
17/4/2020.
What is the time?
Time 45 days.
17,445
Stipulated
days.
date, stipulated date 1/6/2025.
Okay. Heard. 3 H.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by non-finalization of the procedure for sale of land. Full stop. It is submitted that the application for composite land transfer was submitted on 17/4/2025, and there is a stipulation for completion of the same by 45 days, which has not been done. Para? No, para, no. It is also contended that no reasons have been assigned for the said inaction. Para? That
It is
notice
still
be-
under process, man, still under process.
let notice be issued. Revenue, Madam. Yadurika 1, Sharma 1,
2 to 5.
2 to 5, 2 to 5, extra copy.
Right.
Returnable condition. And 4 weeks, 4 weeks. Issue notice. 4 weeks.
Right. Yeah, please, Council.
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner filed a representation before the circle officer, Lordship.
For
Lordship, praying for cancellation of the partition order of the respondent number 4, Lordship. And after filing the representation, Lordship, the circle officer issued a notice and heard both the sides, petitioners as well as the respondent number 4, on 17/5/2025, Lordship. And thereafter, this representation is still pending, Lordship. It is not yet disposed of. Page 22 is the, Lordship, the notice, Lordship.
Yeah, what do you say? Repetition.
Lordship, it's a, whether it's a dispute between two private parties, Lordship.
No, he is only aggrieved by
By that, when the circle
non-consideration
officer has
by the
got that-
circle officer. Okay, we'll issue a notice at this
Lot,
stage.
lots.
Heard. Sri M. Hawk, learned counsel for the petitioner whose grievance is against not say again, the inaction of the circle officer Mayang Revenue Circle in considering and disposing the representation dated 12/11/2024. Full stop. The said representation has been submitted for cancellation of an order dated 26/11/2020 and for mutual partition. Para? Both Sri H. Sharma, learned State Council, and Miss P.R. Mohanta, learned Standing Council Revenue, have, however, raised a preliminary objection by contending that it is a private dispute between the petitioner and the respondent number 4, which is otherwise civil in nature. Para? Be that as it may, let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Mohanta for 1,
2 and 3.
Sharma 2 and 3. Extra copies, 4 registered post with AD within 2 days.
Bless you.
May I please, your Lordship? Your Lordship, on being aggrieved with the impugned order dated 11/6/2025. Election 16 page 70 to 71. The petitioner is a doctor by profession and his land 18 Lesa.
Okay, we issue notice at this stage.
No, my lord, only may be allowed to.
Please, please.
Because he's against this arbitrator. That is under, whenever land is required, he has to go for under section 3G7, he is having authorized to go to arbitrator. But arbitration proceeding is as per Arbitration Conciliation Act
1996.
1996.
Yes.
Then accordingly, if arbitrator against the arbitration award, he has to go to, earlier it was saying the principal judge, but it is a government notification has come that it is the senior divisional take-up matter, commercial matters. But here, my lord, clearly X says that it is against the arbitrator, he has to go to principal. That's what I mean under section 34, Conciliation Act. And that is why, my lord, I am only placing before the demarcation. This is lordship, but pardon your lordship, because it is the fact. And we are all along in other cases also we are doing because because that may not be similar. But against that arbitrator, he has to go to principal judge, my lord, as per act. Because act which is follows Conciliation Act, 19 Arbitration Act. That is why he has to go to.
Yes, what is your name? You're Hussein.
Actually, no, my lord, I approached the arbitrator cum secretary. Section 35G of the
Okay.
National Highways Act.
Now, if any award has been passed by the arbitrator, there is a avenue which is given to you. Either you approach the district judge, principal civil judge of original jurisdiction under 34, or under the commercial acts, now jurisdiction has been conferred to other judges also. But how do you come to the High Court against an arbitration award?
Yes, my lord. And it is clearly mentioned and that this proceeding.
We are not saying that you are not aggrieved. You may be
Yes.
aggrieved, but this may not be the correct forum.
Yes. And
After all, this is an award passed by the arbitrator. You have avenue under the 1996 Act, which should be the court. It's for you to decide. Under 96 Act, Section 2E, Principal Civil Court of Original Jurisdiction.
But however,
there has been some
amendment.
amendments after the Commercial Courts Act, and that has been upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court. That even other
Yes.
courts who have been granted
Now,
conferred jurisdiction, they can take.
yes. Now it is civil.
I think you take instruction. This you will be wasting your time here in this Red Court. You take instructions. You have the forum there. This is from Gwalpara.
Yes.
Okay.
NSA
You have the forum in the appropriate court.
Yes, sir. District.
Heard. Sri ATM. Well, let us see the order. Let us be. Where is 11/6/25? Which page? 11/6/2025. Is it which page?
11. Oh, 71. 70, 71.
71.
70, 71. Man. 70 and 71. Last 2 pages.
Yes, yes. I think Mr. Barua was be correct. This will not be your forum. Okay.
No, I am notice goes again. I'll come by this affidavit again. If he wants to wait, let him wait, my lord.
If you want to have instructions till Monday or Tuesday, we can have.
I can.
You come. In
that case, I have to file the instruction. I have.
He may not be a local counsel. Are you from Guwahati?
Yes, I'm from Guwahati.
Then you we'll have this on Wednesday. You take instruction from your client. Okay.
Okay.
Convey to your client that this is
Yes,
the
my
thing.
lord. I have to confirm with my client.
Heard. Sri ATM Hussein, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has put to challenge an order dated 11/6/2025 passed by the learned arbitrator, who was seized with a matter under Section 3G5 of the National Highways Act 1956. Para? Sri C. Barua, learned standing counsel NHI, as well as NHIDCL, as well as Sri has however submitted that the award of the arbitrator can be challenged in accordance with the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, and the writ petition and filing of a writ petition is not the correct recourse. Full stop. They said submission is also endorsed by Sri H. Sharma, the learned additional senior advocate Assam, as well as Miss P.R. Mohanto, learned standing counsel, Revenue Department, Para. At this stage, Sri Hussein, the learned counsel for the petitioner, prays for some time to obtain instructions. Para, list for motion on Wednesday next.
Wednesday.
Oblige.
13/8. Yes.
My lord, 14 and 15 is the same identical issue, my lord.
Yes.
15 may be taken up.
Yes. Sorry. 15 today. 15 I got it good.
I'd like to move the 15 first, my lord.
FCI? Yes, huh? Yes. Oh, was that no problem?
Union of India.
Yes,
that's it.
Yes, where is FCI? FCI has got a standing council. Can you inform? Mr. Roy is there, Mr. Singh is there. BK
Sub-
Singh, then PK Roy.
We have sub the copy.
Mr. Dekka, please inform them. What is the issue, Mr. Dutta?
This is a short issue, my lord. What happened? That the FCI, my lord, they supplied some additional amount of the rice and wheat at a concessional rate.
Oh, Mr. Singh? Your audio is off. Why are you on VC?
My lord,
Why are you not physically present?
my lord, today I am at Agartala. Yesterday I had a matter in the Tripura High Court.
You are outstation.
Flight to,
Okay.
my lord, yes, my lord, I am out of station.
Enjoying the illusion, is it?
Huh? Mr. Dutta is making some allegations. You're enjoying something. We cannot say what you're enjoying. Ilish, he said.
Yes, Ilis Mas.
Shankar Hotel.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
No, my lord, this is for the main for the defense establishment and for the economic cost. to
Which
the
one?
scheme.
Ilish. Ilish is meant
That's
for
the-
disturbance.
We have the opportunity. man.
Ilish is meant for all.
So,
Mr. Day is not happy at all. He stays in Maligaon, and if he is deprived of Ilish, there will be.
Agartala is meant for that one.
Yes.
Yes.
This FCI, what does it
They,
do?
in fact, government has allocated, but this is supplied by the FCI.
Correct.
The wheat. That wheat is on an economic price, is meant for the defense as well as the economic cost scheme. Now, so for the Assam is concerned, my lord, I am the LOT, in fact, I am the flour mill. So therefore, the LOT received the wheat, we manufactured, and then we supplied the atta to the tea gardens. We realized the milling charge and the transportation cost. Now, in the month of February, my lord, then an order was issued, a circular was issued, wherein the notified that the price of the wheat is as 2,774
Per metric ton.
per metric ton, per quintal, my lord. Per
2000
quintal. To 2774.16
per quintal.
per quintal. It is for 2024-25.
Yes.
It will be effective from 1/4/2024. It will end at 31st March 2025.
Okay.
Now on 21st of March of 2025, an additional allocation of 5,000 metric ton that was allocated to different LOTs. I am one of them.
You got how many? What was your sum?
So far this item number 15 is concerned, the total allocation is 4,430 quintal
To you.
to me. The wheat.
For the district of Choraido.
For the district of Choraido.
Yes.
For the district. Then we lift it. The authority of lifting was issued. We make the payment and the release order was issued. Honor, kindly have a look, Lordship may kindly have a look at the release order,
Now, what
wherein
is
the
the-
price was mentioned.
What is your grievance?
Now, in the release order, the price was mentioned, that is the 2,774.16 in the release order. And the allocation authority letter also mentioned the same. Now we lifted, we have manufactured it and we supplied. And we realized this amount of per quintal, that is 2,774.6 from the tea garden owners. We realized the milling charge and the transportation charge. Now in April, the additional deputy commissioner has issued a letter
Additional Deputy Commissioner
of Choraido. This is item number 50.
Yes.
22nd April 2025, enclosing a copy of a letter of the Food
FCI.
Corporation of India, saying that from April 2025, the rate of the wheat per quintal has been announced to 2,980.06. So therefore, you are required to make the additional payment. Per quintal 206 rupees, that additional amount has to be paid by, demanded from us. That our grievances. you allowed us to lift
Yes, Mr. Singh.
at the rate of that,
My lord, we will take instructions, my lord.
We will issue notice.
Apparently,
and no
Yes,
But do
coercive
not,
action,
do
my
not
lord,
take, do not
because,
take coercive action in the meantime.
yes.
my
Okay.
lord, my lord.
First, we be Dr. Leonard Sine counsel for the petitioner, assisted by Sri S. Deka. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is with regard to the demand for payment of an additional amount as conveyed by the additional Deputy Commissioner Choraidev, wide communication dated 22/4/2025 as per the instructions of the FCI. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that they are the authorized agents to transport for
allotment.
they are the allottees of wheat which they process and transport to the different beneficiaries at a prescribed rate of rupees 2774 per quintal.
Right.
Full stop. However, during the pendency of the period, there were further allotments and which were made at the same rate. Full stop. Thereafter, via the impugned communication, comma, the petitioner has been demanded of an additional amount which, according to the petitioner, is not permissible. Para, let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks or 4 weeks. All respondents, Mr. Singh?
No, my lord, 2 to 5.
Number one is Union of India.
No, all are 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Union of India? Anyone? Union of India?
Mr. Chaudhary.
CGC? Any CGC in the court? Anyone who is there in the court whose names can be recorded? Gayan, Arkady Chaudhary. Arkady Chaudhary was here, I think, no?
Yes, he was.
Arkady Chaudhary, Deputy J for 1.
2
BK
to
Singh,
5,
who is present online for 2,
2,
2 and
5, my
3.
lord.
2,
2,
3,
3, 4,
4,
5.
5.
5.
Then
6 to 9 lottery fighting.
6 to 9 H. Sharma. Extra copies, huh? Para. 3. Dr. The Leonard Sine Council prays for an interim order. Para. After considering the facts and circumstances, it is provided that till the returnable date, comma, no coercive action be taken against the petitioner.
In item number 14, the communication is 7/4/2025.
Instead of 21/3,
Yes,
it is 7/4. Okay.
7/4/25.
In
By
item
the
number?
Deputy Commissioner.
In item number 20, the earlier item.
40.
Yes.
14 is 7
4/25
not by the ADC, by the deputy.
by the DC.
DC?
Dibrugarh.
Dibrugarh. Earlier was ADC Choraidev. This is Dibrugarh, okay.
Only one indulgence, my lord, if your lordship is, there's some, one date is to be corrected, my lord.
Where?
In this 14, my lord.
Difficult. Date in the sense, which date?
This.
Date where?
Instead of Deputy Commissioner Dibrugarh, it has been written as Choraidev.
Not possible.
Then
You file an application.
application.
No, in the order it will be written Dibrugarh, but you file an application.
Yeah, application.
After the entry, it is not possible.
Yes.
Okay.
Um,
We'll allow that. 1-page application. Okay, next.
Great.
Obliged,
We'll
madam.
record that, huh? And Mr. Datta, in which item? 14.
In 14.
Sri Datta, the Learned Senior Council clarifies that due to inadvertence, the description of the Deputy Commissioner has been made as Deputy Commissioner Choraidev instead of Deputy Commissioner
Dibrugarh.
Dibrugarh.
And communication dated 7/4 instead, 10/4 we have written instead of 7/4.
Full stop. He has also submitted that the date of the communication has been wrongly written as 10/4, which should be 7/4.
7/4.
Full stop. The Learned Council prays for and is granted liberty to file appropriate application for correction of the same.
Much obliged.
It will be recorded, so it will be
Please,
easier
ma'am.
for you now. Next.
May it please your lordship. The petition before your lordship is Assam Power Distribution Corporation Limited, my lord, challenging the order passed in pursuance to so-called notice dated 21/10/2021, page 41. On the ground that, my lord, petitioner, my lord, floated tender, my lord, for providing, my lord, security and all. As per the tender condition, your lordship, the amount, the service charge is required to be paid by the person who is providing the service. Accordingly, he charged service charge, we paid service charge to them. It called, my lord, forward charging mechanism. Forward charging mechanism as per
Yes.
for number one. Number two, my lord, the so-called notice which was issued, my lord, it is barred by limitation under subsection 1 of section 73, which provides of Finance Act 1994. First, your lordship may kindly come to page 40.
Yes, Mr. Chetia, what do you say?
Lordship, against my lord, the assessment order, my lord, they preferred an appeal, my lord. An appellate authority has also passed an order. Against that, my lord, appeal will lie before the, my lord, SESTET, Central Excise Appellate Tribunal, Kolkata, my lord. So, my lord, since he has already availed the alternative remedy, my lord, and
Why don't you go by the channel? Why do you come to
My
mid-court?
lord, here the question, root question of my lord, limitation is the lordship and principle of natural justice, because learned appellate court has
No,
not.
your submission would have been a valid submission if on the first instance you had approached this court. You had already approached the
True, my
appellate
lord.
court.
That may be kept.
Appellate order has gone against you.
True.
Go to this estate, you to
That,
appellate
that was
tribunal.
not considered at all by appellate court, my lord. What I am proposing, your lordship may kept open the question of maintainability, and my lord, till then, your lordship.
Till
That
then
may be,
what?
I will apprise, my lord, because the question of limitation will go to the root of the case, my lord. And apex court, a number of decisions says that alternative remedy is not a bar.
It's not a question of alternative limit. You have already availed the alternative limit.
That appeal at
Then in the
appellate
meantime,
stage.
midway you want to
My
jump
lord,
to the
against that appeal lies, no doubt, my lord. But since, my lord, the question of limitation is there, my lord, and the very
question of
purpose
limitations are mixed question of law and fact. You establish
and
your
very
right. before the-
levy is in dispute, your lordship. The levy, they
Or-
can't.
3A Goel, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by a proceeding initiated by the central GST. Full stop. It, however, the said levy is towards forward change,
Forward charge.
forward charge mechanism.
No.
Full stop. He has contended that amongst other grounds, the ground of limitation has not been considered. Full stop para. Sri S. Chetia, learned standing counsel, CGST has however submitted that the petitioner has already filed an appeal which has been decided against the petitioner, and further appeal lies before the appellate tribunal. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Sri Chetia, S. Chetia, learned standing counsel, CGST accepts notice on behalf of respondent 1, 2, 3, and 4.
2, 3, and
Correct?
4, lordship.
One also, not one. Okay.
Not
So
one.
Finance Department, CGC, RKD Chaudhary 1, Deputy SJ, 2, 3, 4, H. Chetia, standing counsel. And 5 we'll have to take by registered post with AD. Tarago extra copies, 5 registered post with AD. Para. The issue of maintainability as raised by Sri Chetia is however kept open. Yes.
Public.
Well, in the entry, no coercive measure, otherwise they will proceed.
Lordship,
My lord, after all, my lord, this is corporation, my lord. This is not. Till then,
My lord,
when your
notice to
lordship
be
has
entered
been
also.
pleased to issue notice, my lord. This is corporation, my lord. This is not private individual, my lord.
Why? Corporation will be
My
treated
lord, they are,
differently.
no, my lord. What I'm saying,
Corporation courses from others, then you are okay.
true, my lord.
And if somebody courses from you, then you jump up.
That I accept, my lord.
Then
That, my lord, that
you have
much,
to be treated equally.
my lord, equally, my lord. That protection, my lord. Your lordship is protecting others also, my lord.
Why? We are not protecting others. You object.
My lord, I can pray before your lordship. Otherwise, my lord, they will insist for payment, your lordship.
Let them insist. Let's see. How much is the amount?
My lord, 18 lakh, one total 18 lakhs.
Sri Goel, Learned Counsel prays for an interim order. Para. The aforesaid aspect is kept open, and if in the meantime there is any move to recover, the petitioner would have liberty to file appropriate application in this writ petition.
My obliged, deeply obliged.
May it please the lordship.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the petitioner is a patta holder of a plot of land measuring 16 bighas, my lord. Since 1982, my lord, he is in possession of the same land. But my-
1982,
since 1982, my-
16 bighas
16 bighas of
at
land.
Karbi Anglong.
In Karbi Anglong, my lord.
You're a patta holder.
Yes, my lord.
Then
Heras-
how did you acquire this property? You purchased or inheritance or what?
This is original patta holder, my lord.
No, originally it has to come to you from somebody. How did it come to you? You purchased it or you inherited it? What? Gift.
My lord, page 14, my lord.
14.
14A. The particular version, my lord.
Yes.
Periodic Heras Patta, Meadi Heras Patta number, 110.
Okay, then
Caribbean.
where is your name?
My lord, my name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th line, my lord.
Yes.
6th line.
Yes.
6th line, my lord.
Rohit Brahma.
Rohit Brahma.
Yes, then what happened?
Rohit Brahma, my lord. Son of Sadaullah Ram. Dolaram. And then, my lord, next, my lord, page 16A. I have 16A, particular, annexer P1.
What is your grievance now?
My grievance is that, my lord, in 2022, my lord, without giving any notice, the district council, Arbitration Autonomous Council, my lord, has taken possession of my land. And they proposed to already, my lord, Karbi Autonomous People's Hall. Karbi People's Hall already, my lord, office is constructed there. And another plan is then one helipad is to be constructed there, my lord.
This was
For public purpose, they have taken, but
no acquisition proceeding.
no notice is given, no compensation is given, my lord.
Okay, yes.
Taking instruction.
Okay.
But response
Alright.
number 3 is the matter political person, whether is the necessary parties or not.
Heard 3PC Day, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. What's up? The case projected is that the petitioner is the patta holder of a plot of land measuring 16 bighas, which is in the district of Karbi Anglong. Full stop. The said land has, however, been taken over possession by the council CIL, KAC, without any notice. Until now, no compensation has been paid. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Sri Revenue Department, Madam, PR Mohanto, Revenue 1, J. Chotia, Standing Council KAC for 2, 3.
4.
No, 2, 3.
4 also.
Not 4. 4 is District Commissioner.
The assistant revenue officer, 5 man.
5. 2, 3, and 5. 4 is District Commissioner. State Council, yes, who is there? State Council. H. Sharma. 4 extra copies. What did you say a political party were?
Executive member, my lord, he is, my lord, the present the member of parliament, my lord. He has been made a party.
No, not by name.
But not by name, but he is, my lord, executive member. He is the
EM.
EM, my lord.
You generally do not make the EM
My
a
lord,
party. He's
my
a
lord,
political
he may be
figure.
made the secretary revenue
No,
or the
he should
principal
not.
secretary.
Yes, correct. Okay, doesn't matter. So, Gutikata Hagison respondent. Okay. 6 weeks, prisoner, 6 weeks. Take the instructions. He'll be entitled to compensation if it's patala.
Yes.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this case is regarding unauthorized construction by the builder. We have given several complaints before the GMC. They have inspected the site, lordship. We have approached the RERA also. There was the observation by RERA, inspection report. And final inspection was done on 4th of March to this year, lordship, 2025. However, till date, the final inspection report has not been granted.
What is the nature of the illegality?
Lordship, he has constructed a basement which is not sanctioned in the approved plan. Further,
Who are you?
I am for the society, lordship.
You are residing in the same building.
I am for the building is constructed, the project name is Donor Presidency, and I am the Donor Presidency Welfare Association.
No, that you understood. Your association constitutes of members who are residents of the building.
Correct, lordship. I
Now,
am the
you said
president.
that there has been a violation of the building plan, everything.
Everything, lordship, and there are specific instances where inspection reports were done and there is a observation, lordship.
But you have a forum for approaching the RERA.
Lordship, RERA, basically the difficulty is the construction was completed and occupancy was given in the year 2014. RERA came into effect in 2016. We have approached the RERA also. There is a finding by RERA,
Then from
lordship.
14 to 25, what were you doing?
Lordship, we have been approaching the GMC, lordship. Our first complaint
Let
started
us see
from the year
what is the
2019, lordship.
GMC done till now? Any communication by the GMC?
Lordship.
Please.
Lordship, there was the inspection report done by GMC, lordship.
When was it done?
Page 37, lordship.
Please read.
Lots of communication, lordship. Page 37. This is the inspection report where it is mentioned that.
Okay, your Ekakoti.
Ekakoti, lordship.
Part 3 Ekakoti learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by the inaction by the respondent authorities, more particularly the GMC, in looking into the grievance of the petitioner pertaining to the Donor
Presidency Welfare
Presidency,
Association.
which is an apartment situated at VIP Road.
VIP Road, 6 miles or so.
VIP Road, 6 mile. Full stop. It is contended that though inspections were made, no tangible action has been taken
And no
to
inspection-
redress the grievance of the petitioner at Asade. Let notice be issued. You are a registered association.
Yes, lordship.
Where is your registration? Where have you said?
Lordship,
Okay.
page
Let notice be issued.
Page 19,
Yes,
lordship.
let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Urban UDD you'll take, madam? Barua, H Barua. H Barua for 1, 2. You, on behalf of Mr. Nayak, yes, for 1 and 2. Where is so said in the executive notice? You should happily accept notice. Notice is a burden for you, or what? 1 and 2. 3, yes, H Sharma, State Council, extra copies. 4 registered posted AD. Steps within 2 working days.
Obliged, lordship.
Malos. The petitioners, my lord, before your lordship is, my lord, out of 10 members, my lord, 6 members is before your lordship, my lord. The Gaon side, my lord.
Okay.
The meeting was convened, my lord, for selection of my lord, president, vice president on 7/9/7/2025, my lord. And can I have a look, my lord? Page 34. What was the outcome, my lord?
Rescheduled.
My lord, rescheduled on 114, my lord.
Hmm.
And again, my lord, 10/7/2025, corrigion number was issued, my lord. After that, my lord, dramatized kept pending, my lord. And in the meantime, my lord, I came to know that, my lord, a certificate is issued, my lord.
For president and vice president.
Man, only president, man. I am concerned only president, madam.
President, who's made the president? You have made him respondent.
Madam, respondent number 6, madam.
Okay. Third, 3A Honikor Learned Counsel for the petitioners, full stop. The petitioners who are 5 in numbers are the elected ward members, no, not ward members, Gaon Panchayat members.
Gaon Panchayat member.
Gaon Panchayat members for the number 52, Rampur, Bogibil, Gaon Panchayat in the district of Lakhimpur.
Madam.
The grievance of the petitioners is with regard to the elections of the respondent number
6, madam.
6 as the president, in spite of the fact that such meeting was not held in accordance with law. Full stop. It is submitted that though notice was issued for a meeting, comma, the same was deferred and the petitioners are not aware on which date any meeting was held. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 bricks. PNRD as Dr. 1, 2.
Madam,
1, 2, 4, 4 and 5. 3 by H. Sharma. Additional Senegal, some 3 extra copies. 6, 7, 8, 9, 8 and 9 registered post with ED. Steps within 2 days. Para. Have you paid for an interim order?
Well,
3, Honikor the Learned Counsel prays for an interim order. Para. After consideration of the same, comma, though no blanket interim order can be passed, comma, it is provided that any action taken by the respondent number 6 as the president would be subject to the outcome of this writ petition and further orders that may be passed.
Ours name may be shown.
Names of the learned counsel for the respondents be reflected in the public.
Deep Lord.
No, my lords. Yeah, madam,
You
challenging the
come up,
audit
you have become an expert in covered case.
I am challenging the audit page 11, my lord.
Page 11,
Page 11, my lord. This order was passed. my lord.
24-6.
Yes, my lord. It was passed pursuant to so-called notice that your lordship will find it page 12. Reference is there, my lord.
You are challenging on the ground of limitation or what?
Two count. First of all, my lord, so-called was not served, my lord. Second is that my lord, from the perusal of the order, it appears, my lord, so-called was issued on 2020, my lord. An order has been passed on 2024. There is a requirement of passing the order within 1 year, my lord. Similar matter is pending before his honorable lordship has passed some orders. I have given the copy, my lord.
Are you aware?
Lot.
We should notice.
Yes, and
Same order can be passed.
lot.
You make the corrections in this order.
My lord.
Will issue notice.
Lot.
Respondents are the same.
Same, my lord.
Okay. S Chetiyality, you make the corrections.
I will do, my lord.
Okay, notices.
Interim is also there, my lord.
Yeah, same order.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Obliged.
You take this, Mr.
My lord,
Gupta.
I will take it.
Mishra. Yes, Arush Mishra, huh?
This is regarding, my lord, the so-called notice without any particulars, my lord.
Oh, this also we have passed some orders.
Yes, my lord, here, my lord, I have got the instruction, my lord. They want to, my lord, withdraw it, my lord. That liberty is given, my lord, we will withdraw the SOCOS and we will give a fresh one,
Okay.
indicating the all the
Okay, yes,
that
yes, that
there
will
is
be
there
better.
in the affidavit.
Okay, then this will dispose of.
Yes, my
Part 3, R. S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved. 28/7/25 first page.
Page 19.
90.
Aggrieved. Yeah, look at the prior case of it. Yeah, look at the prior case of it. This, when this matter had come up on 28/7/2025, this court had directed the learned standing counsel, finance bracket taxation department to obtain instructions. Para 3. Mishra, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the impugned notice does not contain any reasons. Full stop. Para. Sri B. Gogoi, the learned standing counsel, has submitted that as per instructions received. Did he reply? You said he had replied.
Yes, reply.
Has however submitted that the aforesaid contention of the petitioner may not hold good inasmuch as the petitioner has submitted his reply incorporating the facts of the case. Full stop. Para. He has, however, full stop. When no. On the earlier occasion, that is 4/8/2025, Sri B. Gogoi, the learned standing counsel, had submitted that the petitioner had submitted his so-called reply, and therefore the present contention may not hold good. Full stop. Be that as it may, Sri Gogoi, the learned counsel, was granted further time to obtain instructions, inasmuch as it cannot be assumed that the petitioner is aware of the background, aware of the grounds of the show cause notice, when such show cause notice admittedly did not contain the details. Para. Sri Gogoi, the learned standing counsel, has submitted that he has instructions that the department be allowed to initiate a fresh proceeding by stating the grounds of the show cause. Full stop. Para. In view of the aforesaid submission, this court is of the opinion that there will be no requirement to further go into the present challenge. Full stop. Accordingly, the show cause notice dated so and so is set aside. Full stop. The department would, however, be at liberty to initiate a fresh so-called proceeding, initiate a fresh proceeding, which has to be done strictly in accordance with law.
Much obliged.
Disposed of. मेरे मोटर मारे जी मैं तुम्हें अभी ये मारे जी मारे सरी मोटर का उल्लाव से
Other day for the instruction.
yes
Petition of appeal.
But I have instruction that if the inspection is carried out, there is no issue on that.
then
After the inspection, we can ascertain, but subject to the documents to be furnished by both the parties. There are two parties.
what is your
Page 40.
grievance?
My lord, the main grievance is that although there were directions by this honorable court to carry out some procedural work, and it was detailed what is to be done. First time when I appeared, they brought in the BJP people and we have to come to the court, set aside, and now they started telling us that you withdraw, you make a settlement. We said we won't do it, kindly do it. We also had to file a complaint case with them. Thereafter, they passed an order saying that amicable settlement could not
You
be.
do the inspection?
Yes, I'll do that.
When?
Any rate, subject to the private respondent.
Yes, Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 3, Lordship. Lordship, my prayer is that a copy of the petition may be served upon us, Lordship. We will file our objection.
But there is no objection to it. I can serve the copy, Lordship takes up on Friday. But all I'm praying is that kindly follow the orders of
You
the court.
cannot preclude them from
Yes,
filing objection. You should not have made them respondents.
It's a never
You make them respondent, then you can you say that no, you're not entitled to file objection?
It's a never dispute, my lord. It's a long pending dispute between the two parties. In fact, Lordship,
Okay, heard Sri Bonik as Bonik learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Sri A. Dhar learned counsel appearing for the Sri Bhumi Municipal Board. Para. Pursuant to the order dated 4/8/2025, Sri Dhar, the learned counsel, has submitted that the board, that his client is agreeable to a direction and agreeable for an inspection as which is a part of the present petition. Para.
Subject to submission of documents by the parties.
which however has to be done in accordance with law. Including submission, including submission of documents, including submission of relevant documents by the petitioner. Para, Ms. So-and-so learned counsel for the respondent number 3 has submitted that on his, though on instructions, she has appeared, a copy of the writ petition is yet to be served upon her. Full stop.
Friday.
She accordingly prays for, she accordingly prays for some time
Yes.
to obtain instructions. Para?
Can it be on Friday for motion? Because there is no interim prayer. Of course.
Without objection, lordship, at least 10 days time may be.
Sir, there is no interim prayer otherwise. Both is agreeing, vote for both.
No, if comes up with instructions that there is no objection for the instruction, yes. And first let serve her a copy. Sri Bonik, the learned counsel, has undertaken to serve a copy of the writ petition, and the same be listed for motion on
A date after a week.
motion
Within which time they can file their objection.
motion on Friday next.
Friday.
Friday is a holiday. On Thursday
Friday
next.
is a holiday, lordship.
Thursday next, 14th.
And they may file their objection
14th.
before that,
The
if any.
no 14th.
14th.
Yes.
15th lordship will, lordship,
18th.
18th lordship.
18th. Full stop. Ms. So learned counsel is directed to obtain instructions as to whether on the aspect of the proposed inspection, and if there is any objection, to file the same by way of an affidavit
Before that.
before the next date.
Obliged. Lordship.
Yes.
My lordship.
Yes, item number
31, my lord. Lord, this is the eviction matter of that Garchok, my lord.
which
My-
one? Forest.
Forest area, my lord.
27 to
No, my lordship has passed an order of status quo, lord, regarding that area similar.
oh, the revenue, whether it's revenue or forest,
My lord, clear.
not the other one.
No, not Uriam Ghat, my lord.
That lordship, that order lordship will find it
My-
is 196 of the writ
We have
petition.
annexed, my lord.
Same order will pass.
Same order
My
will
lord.
pass, and lordship, they have not annexed the complete order. There were 3 writ petitions.
My-
Lordship has passed a common order in all the 3 writ petitions.
Yes.
What I find from the writ petition is that if lordship takes up page 196, my lord, only page number 1 and page number 2 has been annexed. In page number 3, there appears to be one more writ petition, that is WPC, my lord,
Yes.
4319.
Yes.
Of
Common
20
order was
Doesn't matter because
No.
first 66 pages they have not
No,
given.
my lord, why I'm making that submission, we have filed our affidavit already in pursuance of my lord's direction. We have already filed our affidavit in WPC 4319 of 2025.
Okay.
And that affidavit will cover in all the writ petitions, my lord.
Okay.
So this writ petition may be also
We'll take
listed,
it along, yes.
tagged along with my lord these matters. And that affidavit, also make I be pleased to kindly observe, my lord, that
Okay.
that affidavit will cover all the writ petitions.
Okay.
Because these are similar
It's the
matters.
Same order, huh? খালি ইয়াতে correction হ'ব, কি কি right চলি যায়, ইয়াৰ ভূঞা হ'ব, ইয়াৰ ভূঞা আছে আৰু বৰপূজাৰী হ'ব, মোৰ তাত মাৰি দিব, এইটো মাৰি থৈ দিব।
My lord, here I am appearing for my lord 3, 6 and 8, my lord, also for the deputy commissioner.
Okay. Deputy Commissioner also.
Yes, my lord, DC and circle officer, we have special instructions, my lord.
Then all the respondents here,
No, my lord, not all the respondents.
and
my lord.
who are the others?
My lord, others are forest.
Forest, anybody, Forest? Who's there? Forest? D Gogoi.
PN Goswami or D Gogoi.
D Gogoi. D Gogoi was there.
Otherwise, my lord, AG will appear, my lord, on 11th.
Today, who's appearing? You're for one.
No, my lord, 3, 6 and 8.
Who's for one? Chief Secretary?
Secretary, my lord, I
Chief
can
Secretary.
appear.
You can appear.
I will-
1, 3, 6 and 8, huh?
Yes, my lord, yes.
1, 3, 6. Then Forest is D Gogoi 2, 4, 5. And 9. No, not 9. 2.
Nine.
Can also appear for the police authorities. 3, 6 and 8. 3, 6, 7, 8.
7, 8.
And Forest Baki can you huh? 7, 8 and 9 also. 9. বাকিখিনি মই চাই দিম আৰু লাষ্টত same order 3 Bharpujya Related Council has informed that in a similar repetition WPC so and so, what is the number?
4319 of 25.
4319 of 2025. An affidavit in opposition has been filed
By the district commissioner.
by the district commissioner,
On behalf of all the respondents.
district commissioner, which district? Goalpara?
No, my lord, Kamrup Metro.
Kamrup Metro, which will cover the present issue also. Para, accordingly list this case along with so and so, huh?
The status quo maybe.
Same order.
Let's go till the next date, my lord, till
Same
11.
order.
Yes,
Obliged, my lord. Highly
I'm so obliged.
Hospital level knowing. Rest matters perhaps will not be possible to do. You have to rise early. If there is any interim order to be extended, you can kindly inform this court. Or if there is any urgent matter, extreme urgent, we can fix a date. Mr. Ali?
Item number 26 is important matter, your lordship, since. And
What is the urgency?
urgency, your lordship, this is a land acquisition matter. My land measuring 21 because it was acquired in the year 2013.
We will have a date as per your convenience. We will have a date as per your convenience next week. These 2 days, this
Next
court
week, your
will,
lordship.
next week, next Thursday probably. This, next 2 days, this court will not be there.
Date
Because of
may,
the Itanagar program, we have to leave.
date may be fixed, your lord.
As your, you can request for a date. He'll give, court master will give.
In 36, 37, 30, I have interim order.
Interim order. Interim order.
36, 37, 38.
Okay.
may be-
Any case where interim order is there?
11. 14 law or 13 law? 13.
He will give a date of your convenience. Madam, Deb, which matter is yours?
21.
Any urgency is there?
Second half, your lordship is not sitting.
Oh, no, we are rising now. We have to leave for Itanagar.
Oh.